Hey guys, this is accountant Deja Mary here, and in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 signs that you are ready to hire an accountant in your business. So I hear this question often: when should I start thinking about hiring an accountant in my online coaching business? And there are good reasons for hiring an accountant at different stages at your company's growth. A good accountant can make life easier for you at each stage. Now, I want to make it clear that that doesn't mean that you always need to employ an accountant full time or hire on a retainer basis. Sometimes just a couple of hours of their time will be enough to get the consultant that you need to stay on top of your business finances and taxes, whether you're doing that on a quarterly basis, a monthly basis, or even one time a year. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 signs that you are ready to hire an accountant. Now, these aren't all inclusive, right? There are many considerations, but I think these are a good start to figuring out when it's time to start at least looking, right? So before we jump into today's topic, if you guys are new to me, I just want to say hey, hi, and welcome to my network. My name is Deja Merritt. I am an accountant and debt relief strategist, and I help multi-six-figure coaches and consultants make millions while paying little to no money in taxes. We're able to do this through business tax preparation and accounting services to help them manage and maximize their taxes and bookkeeping. So let's get into it, guys. 3 signs that you need to hire an accountant in your online coaching business. Sign number 1 is that you're actually making money in your business, right? So, according to the IRS, if you make $400 or more in self employment income, you are required to report that income on your taxes. Now, if you report that income now turns your individual tax return into a business tax return, which means that you may be responsible for paying some business taxes on the revenue that you earn, right? So you want to reach out to an accountant to see what that process would look like for you, especially if this is your first time filing business taxes. You want to know what your requirements and responsibilities are for reporting your income and the record keeping that's going to keep you safe in case of an audit. So I don't know if you guys have been hearing about Joe Biden's plan to track all of the bank transactions over $600. Have you guys heard about that? So it's not set in stone yet. It just talks about it currently, but this is going to become more relevant if or relevant if they pass the bill to monitor your checking account. So you want to be mindful of that. Sign number 2 that you are ready to hire an accountant in your online coaching business. You're ready to go from informal to formal in your business finances and taxes. And what I mean by this is maybe your business finances are all over the place, right? You don't know what's coming in, you don't know what's going out, or where your money is being spent. And you aren't building historical data to make key business decisions. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're having a slow month of November. Can you go back to November 2020 or November 2019 and see what was happening around that month, if this is a trend that you need to be looking out for? Without a proper foundation in place to monitor your business finances, you'll never be profitable. You'll find yourself spending every single dime that comes into your business, not saving for growth and expansion, not saving for taxes, and then at the beginning of the year, you end up with this huge tax liability, not investing or even growing a team so that you can stop being that busy bee in your business, so that you can stop doing all the things and sit back and become the true CEO. Sign number 3 that it is time to hire an accountant in your online coaching business is that your business is scaling quickly or you've had a huge jump in income. Now we need to sit down and talk about more than just tax deductions and tax write-offs, right? Because that's only going to get you so far. That's only going to reduce your tax liability by so much. Advanced tax planning strategies that can help reduce your income or reduce your taxable income is really what's going to help you keep more money into the business, which will keep more money in your pockets and more money in your bank accounts, right? So the options are endless for tax planning strategies, and they range from depreciation, retirement plans, because you don't plan on retiring at 70, right? I hope that you have plans to retire before 70. So in the interim, you want to set yourself up to have more than enough income to retire comfortably. And in the meantime, you can get some huge tax breaks if you set up your retirement plans properly. Some other tax planning strategies could include hiring and adding employee benefits, restructuring your business to separate your business income from your personal income. It can include small business health care. Again, the options are endless, and there are many ways to pay $0 in taxes on a multi six figure income if you are proactive instead of reactive. Did you guys hear that? If you are proactive instead of reactive, that's the trick. If there is anyone, right? You have to plan to pay less in taxes. So if you guys are looking for a new accountant to help you manage and maximize your taxes and bookkeeping, we should chat. I want you to schedule a quick call with me to get some of your most pressing questions answered, and so that you have an idea of what to look forward to when it's time to start hiring an accountant in your online coaching business. Was this information helpful? I hope so. And until the next video, be blessed.